My name is Sally Androbe and I'm from our Teach the Community.
My name is Miss Millie and I work at Student Support.
And welcome to YiraraTV.
Hello YiraraTV, like and subscribe!
We are practicing for a special basketball competition.
Hey guys, Mr. Wilson here from Yirara College. We're here at Traeger Basketball Stadium. Teams are trialling out to make our school team to head away for the inter-school competition in week 6. So that's 2 weeks' time. However, more news. In the coming week, we've got a 3-on-3 basketball competition that lasts for 6 weeks. So I'm calling everyone who is good to go for a 3-on-3 basketball competition. We've got trainings for fellas Tuesday night, and Thursdays we've got the ladies basketball training. So looking forward to having you all there. We'll catch up soon.
Hello, my name is Tilly.
Hello, my name is Tony. And today we're at the basketball court stadium.
And we're practicing for the inter-school basketball tournament. Bye.
For the best player? No! What am I looking for? Somebody tell me. Attitude! Good attitude! Teamwork! I need attitude to be respectful, positive. Thank you very much. Thank you to all those that have been coming along to trainings, and we look forward to the future of Yirara basketball.
We continue to teach our teachers our languages.
Quick one, that means fast or quick. Like put in the sentence is Junior, Kajiwara the quick one. Kajiwara the quick one.
2, 1. We in one. You do this one in wall 3.
Yandrane nyambora.
Lower.
Yandrane nyambora.
Yeah, you are.
Yundocho.
You are.
Kanao nyany.
Yeah. Younger than me. Hey, what does that mean? That means hello. Yeah. We are in the Garawa class.
One of you has to start.
Jilitba means sit down. Yanganingi means hello. Bariwa means goodbye. Wabara means wara. Warawiji means star. Kara means is.
Our Yirara board thanked our business manager, Mr. John Hubner, for 9 years of service.
I think there's one last thing we need to do, and that is to give a vote of thanks to John Hubner for his long and faithful service to Yirara College, and wish him well in his retirement down into Mount Gambier. And join me.
Thank you. It's been an honour to work here.
And as you said, it was 9 years and X amount of days.
1 day. Today.
9 years yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, no. and certainly wish you well as you go tonight for your meal, and look forward though to keeping in contact with you into the future.
Should pizzas have pineapple? Mr. Kieran showed us how we can use stewed apples on our pizzas.
We're here in the kitchen today doing the senior cooking IL elective. This is the missing ingredient.
152.
1 cup, yes. Fill up. I have invented my own recipe. It's called Mr. Kieran's Apple Dessert Pizza, inspired by apple crumble. Gregory's helping in this kitchen here.
We cut the apple to make it small, so it gives it soft with the sugar and water.
Spread it on. I reckon another 4 spoons. The students seem to be quite excited, and hopefully it'll turn out nice, and we'll see what we can do.
What are you doing? Come on. You. Today we are making barbecue meat lovers pizza. I am. No, these two are my servants. Have the crane machine over here and put it like this. Look at this hard-working man over here. You see this hard-working man?
Yeah, but you like that, but when you do that, just cut it in the middle. Oh, you guys really want long hams in your pizza?
Yes.
Okay, that's you. Well, when it's up to me, then you like. Noni, what are you doing here?
Just pouring olive oil around the pizza. Just help it make it crunchy.
What's your favorite food?
Lasagna, meat lovers. But yeah, it's like a part-time favorite. Temporary.
No. Looking good. How are we going over here, fellas?
Too easy.
So now I'm putting the pieces in the oven. How nice is that? Look. That's hot.
Yeah, they scored about 8 out of 10 today. They did a good job. That looks perfect, fellas.
Have you tried some yet?
Nope, I'm saving it for myself.
They work really well together, so it's all about teamwork and communicating at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm really pleased with what we've achieved today in the kitchen, and look forward to another episode next week.
Thanks, Kieran. Well done, fellas.
Monday morning movements are always fun and a great way to start our week strong.
Morning, ladies.
Morning.
Yeah, we finished playing, you know. Monday morning movement. You can see everybody finish playing. Yeah. And I'm Liam Thompson. Yeah. Catch you around. Bye.
Way to go.
Another program at Yirara is called Learning on Country, where we leave campus and learn about our culture while we are on Aranda country. This is a great time to hear about other cultures in the Northern Territory and to share our cultures with each other.
Star and a wag tail.
Mine is Nangala. Which group are you in if you're Nagala? Blue, the blue one in the bottom.
So number jibba is number / number. That's me, number jibba.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to catch us every Friday. Stay safe, make strong choices, and look after each other. Bye!